To fix the LG air conditioner error code F4, you need to understand what this code indicates. The F4 error code is related to the indoor unit's temperature sensor issue. This sensor plays a crucial role in maintaining the desired temperature. First, turn off the air conditioner and unplug it from the power source to ensure your safety while performing the troubleshooting steps. Next, locate the temperature sensor, which is usually found near the evaporator coils or the air intake. Inspect the sensor for any blockages or debris that might be interfering with its operation. Clean the sensor gently with a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dirt or dust if the sensor is damaged. You may need to replace it. After cleaning or replacing the sensor, plug in the air conditioner and turn it on. If the error code persists, check the sensor's wiring for any signs of damage or wear. Make sure all connections are secure and not loose. If you are not comfortable with performing these steps or if the issue persists after trying the above solutions, it is recommended to contact a professional technician who can diagnose and fix the problem. Remember to always refer to your air conditioner's user manual for specific instructions and guidelines. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the LG air conditioner error code F4 and get your unit working properly again. It is also a good idea to regularly maintain your air conditioner to prevent such issues from occurring in the future.